Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about my life update, pretty much, and what's been going on ever since.
Ryan Little.
I think ever since it's been the same thing. Wake up, shower, brush my teeth, eat, do work, repeat. And it's like, it's the same thing over and over and over again. And I just feel like I just might as well do a video, and yeah, that's pretty much what the angle of this is. It's pretty much the same routine every day since I've moved to university, but there's been some new additions of what I've been doing in my life right now. For example, I passed my theory test in July, and then I started learning to drive from August. So I've been driving for
You're so dumb. You are really dumb.
4 months now. 4 months I've been driving, I've been learning to drive, and it's going really well. I have too many horror stories, it's not even funny. I have way too many horror stories of me learning to drive, where I've been doing silly things like turning a side road in third gear. Like, it's not even funny. That was my previous experience of driving, and it was really traumatic, if I'm being honest. Really traumatic, it's not even funny. But I progressed really well, like things are coming easy to me. And yeah, I think I'm en route to passing by the grace of God. I'm still studying law, I'm on my second year now. And is there a difference? No, I've only just started, so it's November, we're getting into it now. We're just starting assignments and assessments and stuff like that, so it's getting intense, but I'm able to handle it, get onto my work, and if I get behind, get back on top of my work, because if I get behind, this course does move really fast and no one waits for you. So things are really clicking into place now, and I'm understanding things. I'm really happy about my second year of university, how it's going so far, so I'm excited about that. In terms of my career choice, I'm still pursuing law, and I want to practice criminal law specifically. I want to practice criminal and immigration as a barrister, and I do prefer prosecuting for the Crown. In terms of my career route, I do want to become a barrister. Follow me on LinkedIn, guys. I want to get my connections up. Really do hope to get a car next year, 2021, and be driving everywhere. Public transport is not going to do it, like it's actually not going to work, and I really want to get a car. But if not, I can share a car with my sisters, I don't mind. Either way, whatever's going to work and whatever I can do at the time. So I do want to be driving really early next year, so I just pray to God that I can get that done. In terms of like social media on my phone and stuff like that, I haven't really been on my phone as much. This is because I feel like if you want to achieve something, you have to be really intentional with everything you do. Like, you have to be so intentional. Sometimes, like me for example, I feel like if I want to achieve something, if I really am going to achieve that thing, it should be innate in my being to be able to, you know, get off my phone when I need to, or not procrastinate. But sometimes you have to actually be intentional and say, I need to put my phone down. I need to put my phone further away from me during the night if I need to get to sleep, or I need to put my phone down or turn it off or delete this in order to, you know, get work done. And it gets like that sometimes. Prayer as well is pretty much the forefront of everything. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty much the video. Just want to say thank you to everyone that subscribed so far. All my 179 subscribers, thank you, because yeah, it's a journey, and I've been slacking as well. So but yeah, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for watching my videos and everything, and it means a lot, so thank you so much.